Bay area at the Skyway Bridge, waiting for cruise ships to come and pass through, and I thought we would capture it. Last time I was out here was over the summer, and it stayed like a lot longer. Ship should be coming through in maybe about a half hour's time, so hopefully we can still catch it, have enough light to record it. We're gonna try, so hope you enjoy. So pretty. Let's see if we catch the ships before the sun comes down. But it's really pretty day out.
Wave hi. I'm doing the video for you, Lisa. Because you know.
Very nice.
There's the Skyway Bridge.
Stay tuned. We're out here trying to see some ships.
We don't know where they are though. Oh, I don't know yet. Hang on.
I was hoping to catch the lights of a cruise ship, but instead we're going to see the lights of the Skyway Bridge as it's changing colors. I don't think we're going to see the ships come through tonight. It's getting really dark out, and I think they left port a little bit later than normal. It takes a couple hours to get out this way, but we'll be back next time. Look at the bridge! I don't think I'm going to be able to see cruise ships tonight. Looks like I don't know, we got the timing mixed up, or it left port a little bit later than normal. So by the time it gets out this way, it will be so dark we won't be able to see anything. So I may try and insert some footage from when I was out here last time to see the ships. But isn't it pretty? Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Okay.